So what are the different tools used in the data visualization? If your data is a big data, so very first tool is given by the Google, that is Google Chart. It is a very powerful and easy to use and interactive data visualization tool for browsers as well as mobile devices. It has a rich gallery of charts. That means then not only the charts that we have studied, apart from that there are a lot many other different types of charts is ready-made given by Google, and it also allows you to customize as per your need. You can also make a changes in that charts also. Rendering of chart is based on HTML5 and SVG technology. So it uses a HTML technology to show that chart online live. Now, what are the different pros of this technology? Very first is it is very simple to learn and user friendly. It is fast and accurate. Also, it is highly interactive. It is completely free, means you don't have to pay any of the cost if you want to use such kind of like Google Chart visualization tool. And it also going to provide you the freely interactive dashboard. So dashboards are given to you, just have to pick up a dashboard, enter your values, and it will going to give the output according to your input. Again, cross-platform portability with any conditional plugins, support iPhone, iPad, and Android. Means it does not only support to the Android, apart from Android, iPhone, iPad, for any type of devices. So cross-platform portability is also possible with the Google Chats. It can read from multiple data sources, like it can read the data from Excel, SQL devices, CSV, Google spreadsheets, etc. Your data is available in any of the format. Still, it is going to read the data from that devices. Is it open source or you require a license copy? So obviously it is an open source library. You don't have to pay the cost to use this. And its con is a network connection is mandatory while using this tool, because it is an online software. You have to use it at a online. You cannot like download it and use it on your desktop machine. So it is provided online only. So 24/7 internet connection is required if you want to see the Google Charts. Again, the lags demos on advanced feature. Whatever the advanced feature he has to provide, if you want to like just check out the demo of that feature, it is not again possible with that. Working with APIs for complex presentation is sometimes difficult to again learn. So this is all about the Google Chart. Then second visualization tool, which is most and more powerful tool, is a Tabula. It is also used by many of the companies. You can also do the certification of like Google Chats, Tabula, and add it in your resume. It is a value addition to you students also. Tabula is a business intelligence tool that helps people in visualizing and understanding their data in a very well format. It is also widely used in the field of business intelligence, where a decision making is very important key point. It also allows you to design interactive graphs and charts in the shape of dashboards and worksheets to obtain business vision. But it is not a open source. Only a trial version is provided, like 14 days trial or 30 days trial is only provided. And after that, if you want to continue to use that tool, you require to purchase a license copy. Its advantages are it is outstanding visualization capabilities. It is showing your data in an outstanding, very excellent visualization feel. Second, it is easy to use and it is mobile friendly. Connectivity to multiple data sources, same like your Google Chat, means Excel, spreadsheet, your various types of databases, structured, non-structured, everywhere. Again, it is a healthy community and forum, means it is a trusted community. If you are facing any of the problem, you can also place it into their forum and you will get a its solution very fastly. It have a powerful computation and quick insights. Cons, it is very costly and has inflexible pricing, means you cannot tell that for suppose in this month some price is given, again next month same price you will get. So flexibility in a price, so the pricing is very costly. No option for scheduling and auto refresh of report, restrictive visual imports, static parameter that need to be updated manually each time when the data gets modified are present. Column table formatting is again very difficult here. Then the next one is C-Sense. It provides instant insights for anyone, anywhere in your organization. It allows you to create visual dashboards and reports to stay the rise of data, uncover underlying trends and patterns, and make data-driven decisions. Again, it is a license, but you can use it as for a free trial. It has a very friendly user interface, great analysis performance on huge data sets, excellent support, easy upgrades, integrates very well in different data sources. This product is very flexible and allows for easy customization. Some cons are it is difficult to maintain and develop analytic cubes. You have already studied like when you have to show the data in a form of cubes in a data mining. So it is very difficult. It does not have any inbuilt data type to support the time format. Limited type of visualization is only provided. If a cube rebuild is required, then the cube become inaccessible during that period. So these are some cons of this system. Then apart from that, you will find out there are n number of data visualization tools are available. I have just taken 4 to 5. Okay, you just go on a Google and find out. You will find out a number of different data visualization good tools available for big data. The fourth one is a data wrapper. It is increasingly becoming a popular choice, particularly among media organizations, which frequently use it to create charts and present statistics. It has a simple, clear interface that makes it very easy to upload CSV data, that is comma separated data, and create straightforward charts and also maps that can quickly be embedded into reports. It is a freeware again. You don't have to pay for that. Next is a Chartio. This is a cloud-based analytics platform that offers interactive dashboard, beautiful charts, and data exploration features. It does not require any SQL knowledge. Without that knowledge also you can like find out the different charts also. Next is IBM Watson Analytics. It provides automatic data visualization which aids in figuring out patterns, trends, and complex relationships in business data. So here I have just provided one link. If you go to that, with that link, you will find out many more information or many more tools which are provided for you. Apart from these tools, some open source data visualization tools are there like Candela, Charted, Chart.js, D3.js, Data Wrapper, Digraphs, Leaflet and Raw Graphs. तो ये tools ऐसे हैं जो open source है, freely available है. Okay, so these are some different tools. The next point is the data visualization with Tabula. They have given one tool that is Tabula. You have to study little bit in a depth. So Tabula is a business intelligence tool for visualizing, analyzing the data. Data visualization is the process of describing information through visual rendering. ओके ऑलरेडी हमने टैबुला का प्रोज कॉन्स क्या होता है ऑलरेडी इसके पहले के स्लाइड्स में हमने देखा है. Now Tabula is having a two different version. One is a Tabula desktop and second is a Tabula server. In a Tabula desktop, they are providing a four different features. One is Tabula reader, second is Tabula public, Tabula server and Tabula ऑनलाइन. तो ये चार अलग अलग टाइप की चीजें आपको कॉम्बो करके टैबुला डेस्कटॉप के अंदर दे हैव प्रोवाइडेड. Tabula have a many features like It is a speed to market. Tabula is very easy to use. Tabula does big data. Means if you have a data in a big data format, still it can show you the visualization very well. Tabula does any data, कोई भी टाइप का डेटा रहो आपका तो भी उसके ऊपर वो वर्क करता है. Stunning and interactive plots. It is going to show you a very beautiful and different kinds of charts so that you can easily visualize and understand the data. Tabula is an industry leader. Currently, Tabula is a market leader in data visualization. Next, Tabula also have some other features like rapidly analyze the data. It blends the diverse data set. It is a user-friendly dashboard. It have a numeric calculation inbuilt facility available, and you can create your own like dashboard and visualization effects using Tabula. While you have to work in a Tabula, there are 7 easy steps which are given. The step 1 is to connect to data. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द डेटा. मीन्स जब आप टैबुला को स्टार्ट करते हो तो सबसे पहले आपको डेटाबेस को सिलेक्ट करना है. दैट डेटा कैन बी अ डेटाबेस और यू कैन टेक इट फ्रॉम एक्सेल और CSV फाइल और एनी काइंड ऑफ डेटा लाइक फ्रॉम स्प्रेडशीट. जहाँ पे भी आपका डेटा है वहां से उसको सिलेक्ट करो. स्टेप 2 इज what kind of data manipulation you have to do. मतलब आपको कोई कॉलम उसमें से निकालने हैं, मिसिंग डेटा निकालना है, प्री प्रोसेसिंग करना है डेटा को क्लीनिंग करना है. So what kind of data manipulation you have to perform, you just perform it. Step 3 is use show me और drag drop to create visualization. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे रेडीमेड कुछ विजुअलाइजेशन कि आइकॉन्स ऑलरेडी दिए होते हैं. यू जस्ट हैव टू ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कि आपको डेटा कौन से फॉर्मेट में देखना है, कौन से टाइप के चार्ट में देखना है. देन आफ्टर दैट एडिट योर विजुअलाइजेशन. आपको जो भी कॉम्बिनेशन करने हैं वो कंबाइन करके उसको एडिट करो. देन स्टेप 5 इज क्रिएट मोर visualization to get more insights from the data. Step 6 is place selected visualization in the interactive dashboard. जो भी आपने विजुअलाइजेशन सिलेक्ट किए है, सपोज आपने बोला है कि ये 2 कॉलम्स जो है उसको मुझे उसके लिए बार चार्ट चाहिए, किसी और डेटा है उसके लिए आपको सपोज चाहिए है कि कॉलम चार्ट चाहिए, किसी के लिए हिस्टोग्राम चाहिए. तो आपने हर डेटा के लिए कुछ अलग 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 सेलेक्ट करके रखा है and it will combine all the thing in at one place which is called as the dashboard. आपको मैंने एक लेक्चर में संघवी सर अपने कंप्यूटर डिपार्टमेंट का डैशबोर्ड दिखाया था जिसमें एक ही जगह पे आप सब डेटा देख सकते थे हमारे डिपार्टमेंट का, अचीवमेंट, इवेंट्स, रिजल्ट्स, प्लेसमेंट्स, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, एवरी काइंड ऑफ डेटा इज अवेलेबल ऑन वन डैशबोर्ड. और हर एक डेटा को दिखाने के लिए हमने अलग 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 टाइप के चार्ट्स यूज किए थे. And last step is whatever the dashboard you have created, just save it and to whoever you want to show, you just show it. Then next is to what are the different database you can connect it. Okay, you can use any like Access, Oracle, PostgreSQL, Vertica, Excel, Teradata, any kind of data you can use and you can connect it with the Tabula. Now how the data is converted, if you just see this data is available in Excel. Excel के अंदर कुछ डेटा अवेलेबल है, जैसे ही आप उसको कन्वर्ट करते हो या फिर सिलेक्ट करते हो टैबुला के अंदर, सो इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली कन्वर्टेड इनटू द ग्राफिकल फॉर्मेट. आपको यहाँ पे दिए जाते हैं कि कौन से कॉलम्स है, कौन से टाइप के चार्ट्स है, आपको जो चाहिए उसको सिलेक्ट करो. आपको यहाँ पे दिया है कि जैसे आपको डेटा पॉइंट सर्कल में चाहिए, स्टार में चाहिए, स्क्वायर में चाहिए, हाउ यू वांट टू शो द लाइक डेटा ऑन योर डैशबोर्ड. सो यू कैन कन्वर्ट योर टेक्सचुअल डेटा इनटू द विजुअल डेटा. Tabula advantages. First is a good data visualization. Second is drag drop functionality. Next is it is easy of implementation, easy to learn. It can handle large amount of data with no compromise on performance. And last is multi-device support, responsive customization. some disadvantage already हमने pros and cons already देखे थे, okay, but some more I have just added here. No option for scheduling. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ schedule करके रखना है, वो possible नहीं है. No custom visual imports. Poor custom formatting means it is only limiting to the column having a 16 column. अगर आपके table में 16 से ज़्यादा column है, तो it's really very time consuming for showing such kind of data. Manual parameter updating. Poor handling of screen resolution, and it is very expensive. Now the last point from this unit is analytical techniques used in the big data visualization. Apart from all these tools and types of data visualization, what are the advanced analytical techniques which you can use in a big data visualization? So the advanced analytical method already we have studied in our second, third and fourth unit. So just by using that method, you can also like visualize your data. So the different analytical methods are classification, regression, clustering, association rule likewise. If you are remembering, like classification is used for prediction purpose, regression is also used for prediction purpose, clustering and association rule are used for like a descriptive purpose when you want to show or describe your data, find the hidden patterns from your data. Again, in a classification, you can have a different types of learning like supervised learning and unsupervised learning. We know that classification is coming under the supervised learning and clustering is coming under the unsupervised learning. So you can use such kind of advanced analytical techniques. So here is the end of our fifth unit. Sixth unit already we have done. So here our syllabus of data analytics is completed with all 6 units. Do you have any question or queries? So you